Hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba gawing dark mode ang ating Gmail app. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, i-open lang natin ang ating Gmail account or yung ating Gmail app. Then, pagka-open guys, kung makikita nyo, naka-light mode siya and medyo masakit sa mata yan kapag sa gabi. So, para naman gawing dark mode, itap nyo lang yung 3 horizontal lines na nandito sa upper left corner. And then, pagka-tap guys, i-scroll up nyo lang. And then, stop tayo dito sa settings. So, tap nyo lang yung settings. And then, dito naman sa settings, tap nyo lang yung general settings. So, dito sa general settings, guys, itap nyo lang yung theme. So, ito yung pinakang nasa unahan. So, para gawing dark mode, guys, itap nyo lang yung dark. So, yung circle yung itatap nyo. And automatic, guys, naging dark mode na yung ating Gmail app. So, check natin dito. So, ayan guys, naka-dark mode na. And hindi na siya masakit sa mata kapag sa gabi tayo gumagamit. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba gawing dark mode ang ating Gmail app. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!